back to the channel. It's your lovely host here, Gigi FAISON, and yes, I have been a little MIA, but I am back to share with you a few things that I've changed out in my family room here. One being new curtains. So if you're interested in what else I've changed in here, you must stick around. Get that coffee, tea, whatever it is that you guys are choosing to drink. Sit on back and relax. Today I am drinking a chai latte with a lavender syrup. It is so delicious. I first tried this at 7 Brew, which is a new little coffee spot or drink spot here in the area. It's delicious. So I'm gonna get to work and show you guys what I've done. So for this part here, I've chosen to keep the lights off and the blinds closed just so you can see what this space looked like with the curtains that are already here. And I have new curtains that I purchased from Home Goods. And we're going to spring this space up just a little bit. And these are the curtains here. And so I am going to get busy. I just love the prints that are in these curtains. Almost like we have the green, the creams, the hints of gold. We have florals, we have leaves, we have little birds. So definitely a good spring and summer curtain that I'm going to put up. And I'm going to take these down. These are also from Home Goods. And these are the kind of like the off-white with the hints of gold strippings in between those as well as up here. So I'm going to get busy and I'm going to make this transformation. And this is the reason that I have the lights off. I just want you to be able to see what the space looks like with the curtains that are here. I've got my little Mackenzie Childs bunnies and canisters and pillows spread throughout the home. I'm going in with white, blue and white with the greens and just making it a very springy. If you notice in this corner here, I used to have a chair, but I decided to place my plants over and they are thriving so well in that corner. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get busy, and then I will share with you guys what I've done to this space for this spring and summer.
Change every day. It'd be my pleasure to keep learning you in every way. Time in a lifetime for your love, for your love. There's not enough time in a lifetime. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. The rest of my lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. Don't wanna leave it up to fate. I got the key ready to go where you and drive. Take all my worries and my fears away on this ride. It's time we decide. Make it plain as day. We're running out of space. Running out of places to run to, but I know that I want you. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you.
So the curtains that I'm using are by Laura Ashley, and they are the metallic sheer pull top panels. It comes 4 panels in a pack. So this is all I have time to do today. So if you will take a look at what these curtains look like versus these curtains. Here and here. So I've placed the plants back, and what I'm going to do is get some of those ties to kind of pull these together, and then to pull them up just a little bit like that. But for now, I'm going to leave it. Also in this space, I've placed a new rug, and then next I'll place the basket. And then this side of the room, I need to finish decorating here. I'm going to change out the shade here on this lamp, and then we'll see what we have. Okay guys, now it's time for the reveal. The curtains have been put up. The mantle has been styled out. I've created a little space here on the coffee table. I've decorated that. And I'm just going to let you see this part of the room that I have completed. I still may tweak and do a little more things in here, but for now, this is what we have. I brought in just pure elegance in this space, and it is perfect for the spring/summer. So keep watching. I will continue to share with you what I've done thus far. The other part will have to come later. I don't have time to finish this today, but I will finish.
So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. The rest of my lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you?
So as you guys may notice, my mantle is very elongated, not very wide or very deep, but very long. And so I try to group things so that it's all cohesive, and it's also very elegant. It keeps your eyes moving from the beginning to the end. And I've got things grouped that makes it very cohesive. So even though it's very long, it's not crowded, but it looks absolutely beautiful the way I styled with the groups. I have a grouping here on the end, a grouping in the center. These little bunnies, I think I purchased those from Wayfair. The lighting I have is battery operated, and that's for the ambiance here on the mantle. And I love adding my greenery. To me, it just elevates to another level. And then on the end, you see also another grouping. And those little bookends are from the Z Gallery. So that creates my space for the mantle. And then over on this little console that we had here on the side, I added in the new lampshade here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I picked that up from the Home Goods when I purchased those curtains. So guys, just keep watching. I hope you've enjoyed how I have styled much of this space thus far. Like I said, I'm not completely finished with this room, but I think this was enough to give you an idea if you are just stuck and not sure what to do. We've put some things together here, and I am happy with it. So let me know, which of the curtains did you like? Curtains that I had up initially, or the new curtains? And just continue to enjoy this space.
If we leave it up to fate, tell me how long will we have to wait for an answer? Right or wrong, but I don't have no questions to ask. You don't wanna ruin your chance. No, no. So can I get